from our chairman of the government. Hello.
President Dr. Delmer A. Mundido, to our campus dean Dr. Jewel Nathan Dakulyu, to all the faculties and staff, students who are here, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Today is a very exciting day for ZDS-PGC Pagadian campus as we are about to elect the new campus leader. When the students are given opportunity to practice leadership skills throughout their college life, they are put in a position to succeed in their careers too. Better leaders make better students. In many respects, leadership implies a combination of skills, approaches, and practices that are critical to achieving academic excellence. So today, I encourage every student, please pay attention, please be kind, and please listen to our aspirant candidates as they present their platforms and what they can offer to the school. Okay? So as the chairman of this election, I declare this program open. So congratulations and good morning, everyone.
We will give each candidate 3 to 5 minutes to introduce themselves and to speak up about their advocacies and platforms, starting from the Salute Party List.
Black guys. Good luck.
Starting from
Hello, people students, and hello, ZDS-PGC.
I am from Sumadat Dumalinaw, Zamboanga del Sur. I am currently second year student under the BPED program, and I am running for the position of BPED governor. Honestly, I only have few experiences with regards in this field. In fact, this is my first time running for a certain position, but this is not my first time being in a position. I am a former associate auxiliary way back when I was in high school. The auditor in my non-government organization, which means that I am capable in leading certain organization or certain group.
If any one of you wondering why I'm running in this position, because actually we, the students, have the power to make real change in the school. We all face many challenges, whether it's making our voices heard, improving our school life, and building a better opportunities. And I am here to listen, to act, and to make sure your voices aren't just heard, but implemented. Kini nga posisyon, dako kay nga kahulugan para sa kuha yun. Kahit gusto ko, ako ang tinuod, nga tinugyanan sa inyong mga kinahanglan o mga tinguha. Ang inyong pagsuporta na ako, dili lamang para sa ako, kung dili pa
that every student is heard and valued.
I am Abigail Faith R. Monieva, running for the position of
Ako di ay si Queen Shane P. Ganyalita from DS Bayu 1A and itagan ko sa pagkasinag.
Mahatma Gandhi once said, "Be the change that you wish to see in the world." That quote has always
In leadership, growth, pero
currently living at the Tuburan District, Pagadian City, a third-year
PGC, PGCDI Dili J.
Hey! Hey! Hore!
good morning. I am Jane Rose Bima.
I always as
to our campus dean, Sir GN, to our school administrator, Mr. Mark Manalo, to our BPED, what I mean is that to our department head, especially to the aspirants, good morning.
Morning.
Before I start my message, I thank God, our Heavenly Father, for giving us the gift of life, which enable us to be here today. And also, I wanted to thank all the students. Your presence is much appreciated. I didn't prepare a message or a speech for this very prestigious event, the Meeting the Avance. During the last minute, I struggle. I think about what should I say during this event. But I am here, standing, because I believe that a leader is always ready. Those recent weeks have been so exhausting. From the filing of candidacy, to classroom campaigns, and the postponed election, here we are today, gathered for the final step in this election. Our differences is what divided us from being united. Yet, bunch of issues from the social media, hate from the different teams grow bigger and bigger. And I realized that it is not the essence of leadership. That's why my party didn't dwell. During my party's campaign, most of you have heard that I shared my experiences. I shared that I became the SSG president of Tabina, SSG Federated President of District 1 and 2, the board of the... Hello. The board... Oh my god, I'm live. The board of the rector of the SSG division and a former SSG officer of the region, Zamboanga Sur, Region 9. Well, I didn't want to show off what I have and what I can do. But instead, I want every individual, especially the aspirants, to realize that everyone has the leadership. And it doesn't matter who you are and what you have become. And I firmly believe that anyone is capable of leading in their own ways. My only wish to all the aspirants, especially to the future SSC officials, is that let's create a well-established government, student government, where everyone can enjoy and cherish the good governance we can provide. And with this message, I am hoping that to those whomever be victorious in this election shall bring and change the system of leadership, student leadership in our school, and to serve in their will. Congratulations to all the aspirants. We've gone through so much circumstances, but we are here today. Thank you for being so brave. For once, I am Mark P. Stanyo, running for the position of SSC President. I know that we cannot promise, all of us cannot promise a perfect government. But one thing I can assure that we can promise is that we can be the best officers. To my message to all the students of the ZDS PGC, I hope that you will all be clever to whom we vote, because the future of the students' leadership in our school lies into their hands. I will no longer tell you much of things, because I know that every person, every individual in here has the capable of leading. And I know that in this election, the future of our school will be progressive. Thank you so much. Ug maayong buntag.
So much, Mr. Esanio. And that is the set of aspiring officers from the Salute Party List. Let's give them a round of applause, please. All right.